Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have the account access required, otherwise settings won't stick. Open the OneDrive icon in the taskbar and click Help in Settings, then Settings. Once there, pause syncing immediately so files stop updating while you change options. This prevents conflicts. Make sure to check the Account tab to see the signed-in Microsoft account and note which folders are syncing. These initial steps prevent accidental data loss and prepare you for unlinking or disabling OneDrive next. Now you take the decisive actions. If you want OneDrive off for good on this PC, click Unlink this PC in the Account tab and confirm. This stops account-level syncing and leaves local files intact. Alternatively, choose Stop Sync next to any folder to selectively halt syncing if you need some files online. Once done, prevent auto-launch by going to Settings App Startup and turn OneDrive off. Or deselect Start OneDrive automatically in OneDrive Settings for a softer disable. Finish by deciding whether to uninstall OneDrive or simply leave it disabled. To remove it, open Settings, Apps and Features, find Microsoft OneDrive and choose Uninstall. This removes the app but keeps local files. If syncing resumes unexpectedly, check File Explorer status badges and sign out of any other Microsoft apps. Cached credentials sometimes reconnect. Restart the PC, and if problems persist, open Credential Manager to remove Microsoft account entries. Then restart again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.